Take Natasha and Clint.
All right, strictly recon. I'll hit the Nexus. I'll join you as soon as I can.
If Ultron's really building a body,
He'll be more powerful than any of us. Maybe all of us. An android designed by a robot.
you know, I really miss the days when the weirdest thing science ever created was me.
I'll drop Banner off at the tower. You mind if I borrow Miss Hill?
She's all yours, apparently.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Something dramatic, I hope.
I'm gonna finish reflooring that sunroom as soon as I get back.
Yeah, and then you'll find another part of the house to tear apart.
No. It's the last part.